Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing the message your listing goes against our rules on Facebook Marketplace? This means your item violated Marketplace commerce policies, but in many cases it can be fixed. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix your listing goes against our rules on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So why this error appears? So this message usually appears because prohibited item, for example weapons, drug, animals, etc., regulated item like medical supplement tickets, misleading description, counterfeit or branded replica, duplicates or spam listing, or incorrect category. Okay, so Facebook uses automated detection plus reports. Okay, so now check the violation notice. So open the listing notification, tap the view policy reason, read carefully, identify exact issue. The reason determines your next step. Okay, so you can also edit the listing if allowed. So if editing is available, tap edit listing, fix title, description, category, or pictures, and remove restricted keywords. So avoid brand misuse, remove medical claims, use neutral wording, and then save and resubmit. Okay, you can also remove prohibited content. So if your item is restricted, remove banned products, replace with compliant item. Avoid reposting the same content. Okay, so some products cannot be sold at all. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.